Post-Vedic period. Post-Vedic period refers to the time period that followed the Vedic period in ancient Indian history. It is marked by significant socio-political and cultural changes which shaped the trajectory of Indian civilization. Here is an explanation of the post-Vedic period. Rise of Mahajanapadas. Post-Vedic period witnessed the emergence of Mahajanapadas, which were large territorial kingdoms. These kingdoms, such as Magadha, Kosala, Vatsa, and Kuru, were ruled by powerful kings and witnessed centralization of political power. The Mahajanapadas often engaged in conflicts and alliances. Jainism and Buddhism. The post-Vedic period saw the rise of two major religious movements, Jainism and Buddhism. These alternative spiritual paths emerged as a response to the ritualistic and hierarchical nature of Vedic practices. Jainism, founded by Mahavira, emphasized non-violence and asceticism. Buddhism, founded by Gautama Buddha, focused on the alleviation of suffering through the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. Social and caste system. The post-Vedic period witnessed the solidification and evolution of the caste system. Brahmins, the priestly class, became the highest caste, followed by the Kshatriyas, warriors and rulers, Vaishyas, merchants and farmers, and Shudras, laborers and servants. The concept of Varna became more rigid, and the birth-based caste system gained prominence. Magadha Empire. The Magadha kingdom, located in present-day Bihar, rose to prominence during the post-Vedic period. Under the leadership of rulers like Bimbisara and Ajatashatru, Magadha expanded its territory and became a significant political power. The Magadha Empire eventually laid the foundation for the Mauryan Empire. Mauryan Empire. The Mauryan Empire, founded by Chandragupta Maurya and later expanded by Ashoka, was a key highlight of the post-Vedic period. The Mauryan Empire encompassed a vast territory, including most of the Indian subcontinent. It was known for its administrative and political organization, with Ashoka promoting Buddhism and implementing policies based on moral governance. Cultural developments. The post-Vedic period witnessed advancements in various aspects of culture. Sanskrit literature flourished, and texts like the Mahabharata and the Ramayana were composed. Sangam literature, composed in Tamil, emerged in South India. Art and architecture also thrived, with the construction of stupa monuments, rock-cut caves, and the development of sculptural art. Trade and urbanization. Post-Vedic period saw the growth of trade and commerce. Trade networks expanded within the Indian subcontinent and with regions such as the Persian Gulf and the Roman Empire. Cities like Taxila, Ujjain, and Patliputra, the capital of the Mauryan Empire, became significant centers of trade, administration, and cultural exchange. Decline and regional kingdoms. Following the decline of the Mauryan Empire, the post-Vedic period witnessed the fragmentation of political power. Regional kingdoms emerged, such as the Satavahanas in Deccan, the Kushanas in the northwest, and the Gupta Empire in northern India. These kingdoms contributed to the cultural, artistic, and economic development of their respective regions.